Namaskar students. So today we will learn what is standard error. Now for that let us first consider an example. Suppose in a city A, the mean on a test of mathematics for 200 students in 10th class is 30 and standard deviation is 11. So we are given this. Now consider that we have drawn randomly 100 samples of 10th class students, each with 200 students. That means all the 100 samples are having the same size. That means 200 students. So we would have 100 means, say M1, M2, M100. So we have this type of situation, 100 samples and each is having a mean which is M1, M2, M100. Now these means will differ more or less from each other because of fluctuations of sampling. The frequency distribution of these 100 sample means will fall into normal distribution around the population mean. We can represent this normal distribution something like this. Now here the mean of the sampling distribution of sample mean is MPOP. POP is for population, and some of the sample means would be same as this population mean, some would be greater than this, or some would be less than the population mean. Well, we can find the standard deviation of these means, 100 means, and the estimate of standard deviation of sampling distribution about the mean is the standard error, right? So standard error is the measure that determines how much dispersion is there in the sample means around the population mean. Standard error of mean is represented using this symbol SEM or sigma m. So we can say that in a random sample, the standard deviation reflects on an average how much each score differs from the sample mean. So in one sample, the standard deviation reflects on an average how much each score differs from the sample mean. That is in one sample. Whereas the standard error tells how much sample mean differs from the other sample mean scores, provided the samples of equal size are drawn from the given population randomly.